This video will show you how to change your engine fan belt tensioner on a 2016 International ProStar truck. So what happened to this truck is the engine fan belt exploded due to the tensioner being out of whack. It's starting to wobble. Notice how it's moving this way. You don't want it to move that way. So next we're going to remove the belt. Once you get the belt off, we're going to use an 8mm Allen to get the tensioner off. Okay, once you get that bolt out, it should just come right out. I have the new tensioner. It's a part number 70 95 18 1 Charlie 1. Make sure to line up this with that hole there. After you get the belt back on, make sure the belt is lined up with all the other pulleys. But with that, it's a pretty simple job. If you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.